Sige, jogging. Ayan, jogging. Sige. O, tingin ka ko na post. Naku, nagja-jogging yan, nagpo-post. Yan, jogging, sige. Para mabawasan. Ganda ng aso. Nice dog there. Ha?
Nakita ko yung dog.
Ano binabato nila? Mabato ako. Sabay dito ko sa gilid. Yan. Yan.
Pacquiao!
Ay, nako. Nako.
Pacquiao!
Jogging, hindi ganyan. Please. Ay. Ang dalawa, malayo na. Bakit ka bumaba, PJ? Ha? Saan? Bakit anong gagawin niya dyan sa park?
Ano na, mapasok si JM.
Bakit ka tumigil dyan, JM? Ha? Bakit ka tumigil? Ha, JM?
Check mo nga.
Ano?
Sa Bank of Ireland.
Yung.
Yan, binapin ko. Diyan o, sa
Kailan mo ba binino yun?
Monday. Ano ba ngayon?
Miyerkules.
O Monday.
Nandyan siguro yun. Oh. Pagod ka na? Naku po, nagpaganda pa. Si pagod, boys. Hindi ka ba buntis? Di ba buntis ka? Tayo na yung dalawa, naglaro na.
Layo naman yan, lapit.
Hmm?
Lapit. Kasi siya sa small slide na slide isa.
PJ, wag mo tanggalin, isuot mo lang. Kasi malamig, mahangin. Maano ka.
Tutuyuan
Tapos
ka.
pawis ka.
Tago mo, nakapambahay ka lang. Tulungan mo si Kuya magpedal. Ay, si Jan, magpedal, oh.
Yung bisikleta nila, inano lang.
Ha?
Ayan, binagsak lang. Ay, nako. Teka. Nag-jogging ka nga, mag-ice cream ka naman. Di ganun din, wala rin.
May mantika pa ba doon?
Meron. Doon kayo sa swing.
Tingnan nila kayo makyat.
Teka lang, bitaw. Ano muna? Halika. Teka. Halika, PJ. Suot mo yan, mahangin. Pinawisan ka na. Oh. Naku po, baliktad. Teka. Mamaya sisipunin ka na naman. Sipunin ka pa naman. Doon kayo sa swing. Ayaw nyo sa swing? Ha? Doon sa swing. Mababa na yung swing Yan, mababa. Sige. Taas mo yung pit mo. Dito ka humawak Dito ka humawak sa kadena. Dito sa chain. Dito ka humawak.
Hey!
Are they your classmates, PJ?
Yes.
Okay. Come on. Here.
I want to the swing. Are we gonna hold here?
Yeah, hold on in there. On the chain. Now, move up. Use your strength. Come on.
Wow.
You're almost there.
Daddy.
Urong pit. Yeah, that's it.
Daddy. Yippee.
Hold here first. Here.
Can you
Come on.
me higher? Can you push me higher? Over time.
Pull it.
Can you push me higher?
Not yet.
Daddy.
Oh, hold this one first. You hold it there, okay? Come here. Pit ng pit mo.
You wanna join with me? You can do there.
Teka.
Where are you from?
The Philippines.
And I'm
What do you mean?
my house is from over there.
Where is he from? From the Philippines.
My house is over
Yeah.
there. Yeah. My house is over there.
Is this Patrick?
Yeah?
And this is Farron, is it?
No, John Michael. John Michael, yeah.
Oh, big brother.
I'm taking video of them.
And the two of them are in
No,
class.
he's on the first class.
Oh, yeah.
And this one is senior.
Oh,
Yeah,
what
senior.
room are you in?
What room are you in?
Oh, I don't think that's Gabrielle's class. Okay. And this is Patrick here.
Yeah.
You're with Sean and Zara, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
Last one,
And do you like your class?
Yeah, it's a big boys.
It's the big boys and your teacher's great.
And I love
Where are you from? The boys want to know. What country? They're having a guess.
Philippines.
Oh, we were all wrong. Zara said South America. Sean said America. We were all wrong. Philippines.
Yeah, the Philippines.
And then we live there near here.
Is it Manila you're from?
Yeah, we're from Manila.
From Manila.
Actually, I don't know how many hours. Maybe from Manila, maybe 6 hours.
Oh, really?
Oh no, not 6 hours because of the traffic.
Oh,
But if there's no traffic, maybe it's 2 hours from
We're a
Manila.
good bit away from
Yeah.
Manila then. Oh, very good.
Not too far.
Yeah. Very good. Have you been in Ireland long?
8 years now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You're Irish, though. So the boys were born here, were they?
He was Patrick, yeah. But this one, he was born in the Philippines.
Oh,
John
very
Michael.
good. Very good.
There you go.
Well,
Nice talking to you.
You too.
See you later.